'Twas the night before class, and all through the screen, not a student was stirring, not even a teen. The devices were charged by the outlets with care, in hopes that tech knowledge soon would be there.
The teachers were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of Promethean danced in their heads. And laptops and backpacks and tablets in hand, they dreamed of a digital fun wonderland.
When out on the web there arose such a clatter, I sprang to my mouse to see what was the matter. Away to the browser I flew like a flash, clicked on the tab and cleared out my cache.
The glow of the screen on the virtual page gave luster to learning, each student engaged. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but a website so lively with lessons so clear?
With avatars guiding and gamified lore, I knew in a moment there'd be so much more. More rapid than eagles, inspiration it came, and it whistled and shouted and called them by name.
Now Google, now Canva, now Adobe, and more. On Minecraft, on Pear Deck, and platforms galore. To the top of the search, to the depths of the net. Now learn away, no need to fret.
Traditions embraced with the joy of AI, imagination unleashed, the limit, the sky. So up to the cloud top the ideas they flew, with minds full of wisdom and new skills to pursue.
And then, in a twinkling, I heard in my ear the clicking and typing of students so near. With gamification of lessons galore, I could tell that my students would learn so much more.
They dressed in their best from their heads to their feet, recording their video projects so neat. And editing, layering, and producing stuff too. A bundle of knowledge they loved to pursue.
Fun maker challenges had teachers so merry, building devices and products and contraptions to carry. They laid down their copper wire just right to make the glow of the circuit card light bulbs so bright.
We have holiday hijinks where clues can be found, escape rooms and treasures and puzzles abound. In this digital classroom, the tables were turned. Students loved to show off all the things that they learned.
Now a chorus of chargers, a symphony of plugs, juicing up devices like diligent bugs. In the hum of connection, a charge to renew, the day's work complete, a tech rendezvous.
And I heard them exclaim as they logged off with glee, "Happy learning to all, and to all tech mastery."